Hi, this is the Fairphone 4 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while the home screen with a finger and tap to the widgets icon. Here you'll see all of the available applications which widgets you could add. Tap here, for example, to clock or calendar one to see the different widget stamps. Hold for a while the widget if you want to add to your home screen and just drag it to the place where you want to just add it. If you want to move widgets here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To resize the widget, hold it for a while and after that make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from your home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.